These facts sound completely made up, but every single one of them actually happened. In World War II, Britain needed to fool the Nazis. So they dressed a dead homeless man in a Royal Marines uniform, planted fake war documents on his body, and dropped him into the ocean near Spain. The Nazis found him, believed every single letter, and moved their entire army to the wrong location. Britain won the invasion because of a dead body. Abraham Lincoln's son was once saved from falling onto train tracks by Edwin Booth, the brother of John Wilkes Booth, the same man who would shoot Lincoln dead just days later. Tsutomu Yamaguchi survived the atomic bomb in Hiroshima. The next morning, he traveled to Nagasaki for work. He survived the second atomic bomb too. He lived to the age of 93. The Titanic had a twin ship called the Britannic. It sank in 1916. Just 4 years later, in almost identical circumstances, one survivor was on both ships when they sank. Edgar Erickson was booked on the Titanic. He missed it. In World War I, his ship was torpedoed. He survived. In 1927, he was booked on a flight. He missed it. The plane crashed. No survivors. Some people are just not meant to die. History was never random. It was one impossible coincidence after another. Which one broke your brain? Drop it in the comments. And follow 0 Second Facts. One dark history fact every single day.